hides her pain she's never shown. She walks the streets in the dead of night, searching for love that's out of sight. It wasn't the life she chose to live. This folk had nothing, had none to give. In the dark, under dim streetlights, her heart still beats, longing for light. The love of a prostitute, never cherished, never pursued, but beneath the skin's thoughts and soul lies a heart the songs roll. The love she gives is true, not just a fantasy, not just a view. The world sees only shame, she's just free to love without a name. Each touch is cold, but she pretends that someday this never ends. She longs for someone to set her free, to find the love that's meant to be. The God knows the tears she hides, loving her trapped on the wrong side. She's lost between open despair, a heart in chains and leaves to bear. The love of a prostitute, never cherished, never pursued, but beneath the skin's thoughts and soul lies a heart that songs roll. The love she gives is true, not just a fantasy, not just a view. The world sees only shame, she just feels the love without a name. In the darkness she prays and cries for someone to see past her lies. Not for money, not for lust, for a love she can trust.